Your Excellency, when we saw those video clips at you in State House, we were very shocked. And I told Kenyans, hizi ni stories za Jaba na Mogoka. Your Excellency, when we saw those video clips at you in State House, we were very shocked. And I told Kenyans, hizi ni stories za Jaba na Mogoka. And you know what they did, Your Excellency? You remember the report you presented in State House, the NADCO report?
Yeah.
It was on 8th March 2024.
Correct.
So they took those videos na pictures, wakapost, wakasema walikuwa huko. So sisi, our stand, we are going to be with the people. Mali watu wako, hapo ndio tunaenda. Na mnajua last time the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, Excellency, alinipatia ticket ya Wiper ule Mombasa. You all saw what we did. Watu wakatucheza. So hasira yetu kubwa kwanza, our party leader was subjected to some funny interviews. Tulisikia mbaya. So this time around, when we saw those clips, we were shocked. Tukaona last time ulichezwa. This time, Your Excellency, this is your only bullet ile imebaki kama ujui. Let me tell you the truth. I'm experienced kidogo, Excellency, in politics. Unajua siasa yangu ni different na all these politicians you are seeing here. Sindo nilimenta huyu my brother, Gavanari hapa, Babu Owino, Your Excellency. We started from prison, MP, Senate, Governor. Wakiona ati naweza kuovertake, wajui ni kasi sisi kuovertake wewe, Your Excellency. Lakini we must start from somewhere. Ndio nyinyi mkiretire, sisi na kina babu hapa tunaonyesha wananchi mali ya kwenda. But for now, Your Excellency counts on our overwhelming support. Tutatembea na wewe hii safari. Usijaribu kwenda huko. Na nyinyi wa Kenya mbona mnanisikiza? Nikiwaambia story ni ajaba, ujue ni ajaba. Kwa hivyo, Your Excellency, we respect you. Na we shall work with you in this journey.
Well done. Yeah, so we are equally very pleased to receive our brother here, Chelewa San, Governor Sonko. And I want to thank you because Governor Sonko went to the media, the social media, because he called me when I was in Dar es Salaam. He was equally concerned. Yeah, and then I told him, no, this is where I am. Kwa hivyo jameni, kueneza uvumi namna hii, but it's also actually okay. Let them panic, walete propaganda namna hiyo, alafu inawaangukia vibaya sana. So ndio sababu they have earned this title of Kaongo. Honestly, come to think of it, that is living true to that, to their